I have four stewardship ideas for you that I think can change your ministry. First is people will always give to a compelling vision or mission. So, what is your church known for, and what do you want to be known for? Can anybody in your church give a 2 or 3 sentence explanation of what the vision of your church is and what you want to be known for?
I can.
The second principle is leadership commitment. I think it's critically important for leaders to model faithful and generous giving. I think that you can really only credibly ask for someone else to give generously if you give generously yourself. And if your leadership team knows exactly how much the electric bill is, but has no idea how much you're spending on ministry or should be spending on ministry, you might need to refocus that group on what's important in ministry. The third thing that I'd like to mention to you is that these days we've discovered, at least in my church, that people don't give with cash anymore. People don't carry cash and people don't write paper checks. So we have to adapt to how people want to give. It's important to allow people to give the way they want to give. And so if people prefer to give by credit card or debit card or bank draft, we need to figure out how to do that in our church so that we can allow people to give the way they want to. I want to mention to you is donor response. It's important to thank people for being generous and for giving gifts. And if you don't have a donor response plan, it's important to stop right now what you're doing and develop a donor response plan so that everyone who makes a gift, in every situation that they give a gift, that they get an immediate, personal, handwritten thank you note. Four things that I think can change your ministry. And I don't know how to end that.